Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the LCM of two co-prime number is equal to LCM of, firstly, co-prime number are the numbers which have only 1 as their highest common factor. Okay? So, LCM of any two co-prime number is equal to their product. Okay. We can see this by taking one example. For example, suppose 5 and 7 are two co-prime number. Okay. Are co-prime numbers. So the LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Hence the LCM of two co-prime number is equals to their product.